Maraming beses na kitang nilayasan, iniwanan at ibang pinuntahan. Parang babaeng mahirap talagang malimutan. Ikaw lamang ang aking laging binabalikan. Manila, I keep coming back to Manila. Simply no place like Manila. Manila, I'm coming home. I walk the streets of San Francisco. I've tried to ride in Disneyland. I've dated a million girls in Sydney. Somehow I feel like I don't belong. Hinahanap, hanap kita Manila. Ang ingay mong kay sarap sa tenga. Mga jeepney mong naliliparan, mga babae mong nagagandahan. Take me back in your arms, Manila. Promise me you'll never let go. Promise me you'll never let go. Manila, Manila, I keep coming back to Manila. Simply no place like Manila. Manila, I'm coming home.
Yeah, check it. I got a little story about this girl. You know, I met just chilling one night in the club. She was a bona fide disco queen, right out of a dream. Check it. Here's my story. She was a magnet on the dance floor. The way she moved kept me coming back for more. It's getting hard to control myself. She was coming on strong, giving me the eye all night long. I said, you checking me out, so I move a little closer to see what you about. Yeah, yeah, and I'm hold more close. We grinding tight. I gotta get to know you by the end of the night. Yeah, yeah.
Gabi-gabi na lang ay nasa disco. Mga problema niya'y kanyang nalilimutan. Pag siya'y gumuyog-yog, sumasayaw. Sa umaga, dispatchadora.
She was born to be a queen.
Si gabi siya'y bongga-bongga.
What a sight to see.
Pagsapit ng dilim, nasa Coco-Banana. Ay ba't ang bakal? Sa disco is the vera. Sa disco siya ang reyna. Si ba't ang bakal na taga-Frisco?
The big QC.
Laging lubos ang sweldo nasa disco.
She's a disco
Ang
queen.
problema niya'y kanyang nalilimutan. Pag siya'y gumuyog-yog, sumasayaw.
Let's go.
Sa umaga, dispatchadora.
She was born to be a
Si
queen.
gabi siya'y bongga-bongga.
Yeah, what a sight to see.
Pagsapit ng dilim, nasa Coco-Banana. Ay ba't ang bakal? Sa disco is the vera. Sa disco siya ang reyna.
Yo, yo, forget about the game, she was all in my head. Had me speaking and freaking at every word that she said, huh? Hey baby girl, why don't you grab your sweater? We could leave this club and get to know each other better, huh? See, she was a disco fiend. I could never leave this club with this disco queen, cause she was way out of my league and had a new guy every day of the
Sa
weekend.
umaga, dispatchadora.
She was born to be a queen.
Gabi siya'y bongga-bongga.
What a sight to see.
Pagsapit ng dilim, nasa Coco-Banana. Ay ba't ang bakal? Sa disco is the vera. Sa disco siya ang reyna. Si ba't ang
Let the bass kick.